Hey y'all, Slim from A-Ball Imaging. Welcome to our first Tuesday 2-minute tools, tips, and tutorial, where today I'm going to show you how to change your Epson P400 printer from all color to an all black system using Inkowl dye-based ink and refillable cartridges for super dark films. Let's get it. Now this is going to get a little messy, so make sure that you have some rubber gloves and an old towel. But first, you must run a printhead nozzle check to check for any printhead issues. Open your printer settings, select Manage, Properties, Preferences, Utility, and Nozzle Check. Solid lines means you're good to go. Broken lines, cleaning is needed. Run your test, check for solid lines. Printhead passes the nozzle check. Now it's time to change your ink. Open the top of your printer, press the ink button, open the cartridge carrier, pull your cartridges out, and put them on the dirty towel. Because I had Inkowl's colored system, I replaced the ink and put them back in their corresponding bottles, saving them in Ziploc bags in case I decide to go back to color later on. When you buy your ink, it's best to start off with clean cartridges. Once on Inkowl's site, type in Epson P400 to get all products related to your printer. Scroll to the refillable cartridges and you'll see that they're just like your stock cartridges for easy install. To fill the ink, pull the top tab on the cartridge, put the long tip on using the supplied syringe, and pull the ink slowly to avoid bubbles. Insert the ink through the top of the cartridge carefully to not pierce the bottom with the long piece. Replace the top, put all cartridges back in place, close the top, press your ink button, and let it cycle through. Run another nozzle check and look for solid lines. Now you're ready to print your films. And that's it. You're all done. If this video helped you out in any way with your Epson P400 printer, turning it into an all black system, hit the like button, comment, and share the video. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel for future tools, tips, and tutorials, preferably 2 minutes. Thank you for watching. Peace.